Hi guys, so today in this video I will show you how to troubleshoot your Black and Docker battery that's blinking red while charging and the steps that you should take before assuming that the battery needs to be replaced. So first of all, you need to touch the battery and see whether it feels usually hot or it is cold. So here Black Docker lithium ion batteries have built-in protection circuits that can block the charging when the temperature falls outside the safe charging range. So if the battery was just used heavily or stored in the garage, you just have to simply allow it to reach to the room temperature before trying it again. Then you just have to simply remove the battery from the charger completely and wait for at least 30 seconds and then slide it back into the charger until it is fully seated. Now a battery that's not making proper contact can trigger a charging fault even when the battery itself is healthy. Now you need to also take a close look at the metal terminal on both the battery and the charger. So if you are seeing any type of dust, corrosion, moisture or debris, you just have to simply clean that first before inserting the battery. So you can also just leave the batteries disconnected and you can just simply wait for 10 to 15 seconds. After 10 to 15 seconds you can just simply insert the battery, and this is going to give the battery management system time to fully power down and it can also clear the temporary charging lockouts. So you can try these easy methods and that's how you can do it. Thank you.